Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone are ready to get new iOS update, that is iOS 15 Developer Beta 3. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get, install or download iOS 15 Beta 3 on iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and search for beta profiles. Now we have to tap on first link. After loading the page, we have to tap on install profile. Now tap install anyways. Checking your browser before accessing betaprofile.com, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. Tap close. Now go back to settings. Profile downloaded, tap on. Tap install. Put iPhone passcode. Tap install. Install again. And if you want to restart your iPhone, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now and tap done. Now force close setting app, launch again settings, general, software update, and iOS 15 Developer Beta 3 is ready to download on your iPhone 6s to iPhone 12. We just tap download and install to get iOS 15 Developer Beta 3. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.